How to add multiple accounts in Whatnot app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to add multiple accounts and switch between them? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in few simple steps. First things first, open up your Whatnot app. Then go to your account in the bottom right corner and then tap on View Profile. Now just tap on the drop down, and then once you tap on the drop down beside your username, you can see the Add Account option. So you can just tap on Add Account, and now you can log in using your Google, Facebook, Apple, or email. And once you've logged in, you can easily switch between the accounts by tapping on the drop down as I have shown before. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.